let's compare two products. One is original and the other one is fake. Usually, the bad people are scamming the good people, and they're giving it out for cheaper reasons. And so, the other side that you see that I'm touching now is the fake one, and that's the original one. And you will see on the screen where you can see the green sign and where you see the red sign. It's very clear how the boxes is made, so the boxes is very clean cut, and the other one is super cheap, and it's very clear that it's not really made up of good products and materials, as you can see. And you can notice that it's very clear. It's just black and white. The as well the logos are different, the colors are different, and as you can see, the box inside is totally different thing. And we can see side by side, and at the other two boxes we can see some things as well that's very unusual with the original and fake one. That plastic is so good quality when it comes to the original product, but with the fake one it's so cheap designed. And as you can see, it's very expensive design, and it's very good material. The notebooks and the books are very good quality as well when it comes to original, and we can see and we can feel it and we can touch it. But the fake one, it's totally scam, and it's totally worth of nothing. Where you're gonna see now, the fake one is they feel and they sound differently whenever we click and we punch in. How you open the AirPod, it's totally different from the original. And of course, there are some very final point I would like to share with you at the end of the video that can really help you to identify the original one. The lightings are totally different when it comes to the fake one, or the very scary one, and this is the original one. It's totally very easy, open and closing door, and the lighting and the button works totally perfect and smoothly. And whenever you just of course pull it up and pull it down and you just let it leave and you leave it there, it's totally magic with the original. But with the fake one, it feels different once you touch the original one, and it sounds different as well. At the end of the video, I would like to share with you that even if it gave you a serial number, it's not original. So each and every different of those devices, the case and earpod should have a different serial number. And as well, whenever you put it in and you use it, you play music, if you cannot hear anything, the background, that means it's original. But if you can still hear it, it is not original. The sound it gives, it's so cheap, the fake one, but the original one sounds really realistic, and it's very good quality. At the end of the day, don't ever buy from people who really are considering this as a gift and they are selling in marketplace or elsewhere. Just buy it whenever you need, only from a verified company like Amazon or Best Buy or any local store where you trust. And good luck.